Hello students. Now we are going to move to the second chapter of geography of the NCERT textbook The Earth Our Habitat. The name of the chapter is Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. So, what are we going to know in this chapter? This chapter is about our Earth as a model shape. The Earth represented by a model is known as a globe. So, on the globe, the very important thing is the latitudes and longitudes. These latitudes and longitudes are used to determine a position of a place. More to say, the exact position of a place. When we look at the globe, we can see that it has a north and a south portion. Those two portions are known as the North Pole and the South Pole. So, in this chapter, we will be knowing the model of the earth, which is known as globe, what it is and what purpose does it serve, the main definition and use of latitudes and the definition and use of longitudes, how they are beneficial to us and why do we calculate them or why do we get to know them, and a very major thing which is the motion of the earth. Motions means the movement of the earth. You all know that we experience day and night, change of seasons, change of year, and so on. These all happens due to the movement of earth. Either it is rotation or it is revolution. What is rotation? What is revolution? And what is the difference between these two? These can be known when we look into the chapter into a great detail. So, in this chapter, we will basically get to know about what is a globe, then the hemispheres, especially the hemispheres where we are living, the major latitudes, and how the latitudes help us to determine the heat zones of the earth, and why do the heat zones change as we move from one place to another. Then, what are the longitudes? What is the prime meridian? How many longitudes are there? How many latitudes are there? Do we have any significance of these longitudes into the time zone of a place? And if yes, what is the significance? And how do we calculate these differences? So, these are all the things that you will be dealing about in this chapter. So, let's move forward and look into each topic in greater details.